Oh, that's a good one.
You gonna eat his nose? Do you wanna eat his nose? Is it good?
Has he slobbered on you yet,
really
Trip?
Get rid of all your toys?
Where's
back, Trip?
Trip's doing a great job.
I know. I just get nervous.
I know, and Joe's right there.
I had a student drop Emma.
Oh,
no,
man.
Drop Trip, and
That's it?
it's not good for moms and dads to go through.
Can you say Dede? 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 Dede?
Did mommy buy you that outfit, or did a friend buy you that?
TJ Maxx, $4.
$4? What a deal!
I'm like recording while I'm like TJ Maxx, $4.
Hey! Trip loves you.
What's going on?
Day Day. See Day Day again. Day Day.
Yes, honey?
Day Day. He said gaga. Gaga.
You want to do the coughing thing you do?
Day Day. Day Day.
Two of those.
Okay.